FSP booth, and we're about to see some stuff from FSP, starting from the mining.
So this is a mining system which uses two general power supply units which are combined through these boards over here. I also see some additional PSUs on the sides of the system. This is the board with the modular PSU. You can detach the modular PSU from this board. It's very hard to do it with one hand now though. You see how many PCI Express connectors it has, and we also see some additional capacitors for Ripple filtering purposes, I guess, and power switch. Eddie, I will do the honors.
I'll certainly try. Well, thank you. Oh, it has a trick.
It has a trick, yeah. So
you cannot buy it separately.
But you cannot buy separately, yeah. FSP told us that it can only be sold as a pair.
With a PSU of its own.
Yeah.
But it can be attached to any PSU by any company.
Yeah.
And it's already in mass production.
Nice, you are learning. This is a 2000 PSU. A monster of a PSU, actually.
It's already in Europe?
Yeah, it's already in Europe. And
it's about $400.
Euros.
Euro.
Europe.
Sorry, Europe. Yeah.
Here is the same PSU powering a mining system with multiple graphics cards installed. This is a new affordable PSU from FSP with 80 plus bronze efficiency and 230 volts compatibility, 230 volts compatibility only.
It's going to be launched at the end of this year.
Probably.
Yeah. And the price of it's going to hit us, I think, the same price of its category.
There are no modular cables, as you can see. This is the HG2 line, which will feature a 1000 watt capacity PSU.
Semi-fanless.
Semi-fanless. The high-end model will have around $150 price tag.
And it's going to be launched approximately in September.
All members will have the same chassis, so they will be a bit small. As you can see, this is the 850 and the 1000. FSP launched a new hydro cooling PSU with 850 watts capacity.
And they have a lot of cases from different people. They have been designed. Yeah, they have been designed.
Which all used the hydro cooling PSU.
Yeah.
I think this was the most interesting.
Yeah, it's from Korea.
Some other cases.
So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.